Hello everyone, it's my honor to talk about CRA ready platform and SoC enablement topic. As we all know, 2027 will be a big year. The CRA Act will start to roll out. So we need to make ourselves ready to deal with the impact. CRA is not just a software element or hardware element. It's a very broad topic. So the best way or strategy to solve this problem is we have to make ourselves ready from a platform view. What does the platform means? As we all know, CRA regulation need the product be very safe and secure. But that does not mean that you deliver a product with very robust software. You need to take care of the product shipped to the market and still give the product a fresh and reduce the risk over the time. So we definitely need a good platform to get rid of this kind of a trifle for every day our life. So how to implement a really robust platform for CRA compliance? What Avalue implementation, we adopt a 3-layer of framework. Firstly, on the groundwork side, we had our organization and everyday behavior and process follow ISO 27001 practice. So with this every detailed documented discipline, we make sure our infrastructure, which used to our daily operation and used to develop the product, are very compliant to the discipline of the security operation. And second layer is we had the IEC 62443 compliance in the product layer. What does the IEC 62443 means to the product layer? This regulation defines every single step from the product concept to the requirement, to define the spec, and to design, to testing, and lastly to deployment. So the whole cycle must follow the strict regulation, how we prevent the security vulnerability. So this can give us a very robust design of the product. And lastly, after we finish the product development and deliver the product to the market, we still need to keep the product refreshed to prevent the new cybersecurity vulnerability attack our product. So we need some platform to help us to keep our device and software element up to date, real time and over the air. We can keep update our device. So we adopt a Taurus secure platform. This involves 2 elements. The first element is the Taurus OS, and second element is the Taurus cloud service. With Taurus operating system, we can guarantee the device from after power on down to boot up the operating system and do every single step. The device can prevent the attack from the internet, from the physical handling the device. And Taurus OS gives us very robust and full features manageability. You can register your device, disperse to the market, and manage the device with a single mouse click from everywhere and every time, anywhere and anytime. So with the 3-layer of a secure framework, so the solution delivered from Avalue, we can guarantee it's fully compliant to CRA. However, the CRA is very quick. We need to make ourselves ready to the CRA impact. So what Avalue provide is we had a broad range of product Intel processor, run Qualcomm ARM-based processor, run NXP processor, run Rockchip processor. So we had a broad range of hardware SoC platform. And secondly, we also had a robust and secured hardened operating system, which can be TWSE operating system or other compliant to TWSE cloud service operating system. So with all this together, we can deliver the feature, help our customer long-term maintain the product in real time, and we can deliver the essential information, including SBOM and all of the life cycle, software life cycle information. And we can also provide a very secure OTA update capability. And lastly, we can make sure the whole platform and the whole product are fully compliant to CRA. So with the robust TWSE secure platform and Avalue's broad range of product, what that means to customer, first, you can freely from the CRA risk. There are still many people doesn't know very well about what the CRA means, what you need to do to comply to CRA. So with the TWSE secure platform and Avalue's hardened operating system and product support, we can make sure your compliance to CRA is ready. And secondly, as to prepare for CRA would be a huge effort, and maybe will take a long investment and time to get ready for CRA. So with the TWSE secure platform ready, you can free from this effort. You can quickly make sure your product can deliver to the market as soon as possible. And thirdly, when you ship the product to the market and the product dispersed everywhere in your customer site, you need a very efficient way to manage this device. So this platform can help you to seamlessly manage hundreds, thousands of devices in the field without any hassles. So all this together can greatly reduce your long-term operating cost and also maintenance cost. So when the TWSE secure platform ready, everything in compliance to CRA, what does that mean to you for the Edge AI application? While the technology keep evolving, our headache is not just only dealing with the cybersecurity issue. We also heavily use AI in our daily life. So we utilize AI in improving our operating efficiency. We utilize AI to reduce our. While the technology keep evolving, when we had the very robust and secure platform, we also need to dealing with the other headache is the AI deployment in edge side. So when the AI in edge side means you need a lot of effort to keep your AI model refreshed. That will involve a huge effort if you don't have a really efficiency platform to help you to manage that. So with our platform, we will offer two very fundamental features for you and help you to make your edge AI device very sustainable. First is the cybersecurity issue is endless effort. So with a good platform, you can dealing with the cybersecurity issue in real time, and you can keep your device updated with minimal effort. And secondly, the AI models keep evolving. So every day there's a new methodology to improve the result. There will be a new AI model being need to deploy to the device. So with the management platform, you can quickly deploy the new AI model to the device by just a few mouse click, and this update can apply to every device in the field. So with these two benefits together, you can make sure your edge AI solution is really sustainable. So the next topic, Mr. Fang will give you a bit more talk about how we manage the AI evolution. Need to deploy to the device. So with the management platform, you can quickly deploy the new AI model to the device by just a few mouse click, and this update can apply to every device in the field. So with these two benefits together, you can make sure your edge AI solution is really sustainable. So the next topic, Mr. Fang will give you a bit more talk about how we manage the AI evolution. Thank you for listening.